Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to find the area of a shaded region. So what you want to do is you want to find the outside shape, the bigger shape, that area, and then we're going to find the inner shape, the smaller area, and we'll subtract the two. So I'm going to find this bigger area, this triangle. It's my outside shape. So I'm going to find this area first. And then what I'll have to do is I'll have to take away the part that I don't want. So I'm going to have to take away or subtract this circle area. So the first thing I'll do is I'll find my area of the triangle, which is 1/2 times the base times the height. So I'll take 1/2 times my base is 40 times the height is 27 kilometers. So 1/2 times 27 times 40 gets me 540 square kilometers. And then I need to find the area of that circle, pi r squared. Well, they give us the diameter is 12. So we end up with pi times 6 squared, or 36 pi. And I would just subtract those two numbers, 540 minus 113.1, to figure out what is the total area of those, or of that one shaded region. And that's about 426.9 square kilometers. All right, we'll try two more together. Number 8, I want to find the outside shape is a big circle. And the inside shape, the unshaded region, is a very small circle. So what I need to do is figure out what is the radius of the outside shape, the big circle. Well, the diameter we're given is 21 meters. So half of that would be 10.5. So my radius is 10.5, so it would be pi times 10.5 squared for the area. All right, this is where it gets a little bit trickier. I'm taking 3.5 meters to go from the edge of the big circle to the edge of the small circle. So there's 3.5 meters there. This whole diameter is 21. I'm going to take away 3.5, so 21 minus 3.5 on the left, and I'm also going to take away 3.5 meters on the right. So I'm taking away these two regions to find the new diameter of the little circle. So that new diameter would be 14. 21 minus 7 is 14. So the diameter is 14, which means the radius is half of that at 7. So this would be pi times 7 squared. So 10.5 pi, 10.5 squared is 110.25 minus 7 squared is 49. We end up with approximately 61.25 pi, or a final answer of around 192.4 square meters. Take a look at 10. I would pause the video, see if you can identify the bigger outside shape and the smaller inside shape, and then see if you can finish that one, find your area, the shaded region, and then unpause and check your work. Okay, this one's kind of a tough one. Circle, square, right? Not a straightforward problem, because they give you the square. I mean, the square is easy enough to find, right? It's just 64. 8 times 8 is 64. Easy enough. But how do I find the circle area? Well, what I need to find is the radius, or really a diameter. That would be easier. So I'm going to find that diameter, and the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to split this into a right triangle. And it ends up being a 45, 45, 90 right triangle, if you're playing along at home. because the two sides are equal. So if you remember your special right triangles, you would know that the diameter equals 8 root 2. Or the radius would be 4 root 2. So pi r squared would be 32 pi. So I'm going to take 32 pi and subtract the area of the square, which is 64. And I end up with approximately 36.53 square centimeters. So that's how you would do generally the area of a shaded region. You want to find the bigger outside shape, subtract the smaller inside shape, and that will tell you the area of the shaded region. Let me know what questions you have, and I will see you in class.